All right, so what's happening here?
It's an onion planting day. They're planting, we have 300 onion sets to plant. We got them, I purchased them from Hoss Tools, and these are short day onions because we're in zone 8B. We have amended this bed with fertilizer, and we put some bone meal in the hole, which helps with root development. And these onions, we have approximately 300, three different kinds. We have a red onion, a Texas sweet, and a Vedora. And these onions will be ready about April or so.
So you mentioned short day onions. What exactly is a short day onion?
Where you plant onions based on the amount of sunlight in an area of the country, not actually the zone itself. And because zone 8B, or in our case Texas, having less daylight hours overall, we plant onions in the fall for a spring harvest. So you plant onions actually by the length of daylight versus the zone that you're actually located in. Most of the southern states that are closest to the equator, are considered short day.
So what happens if you grow, a onion that's not a short day onion down here in the south?
So you have a short day, like I said, a midday, and a long day. Long day onions typically are planted in the northern states or areas that are closest to the, not the equator, but to basically where Alaska is. And they will grow, but they won't be maximized in terms of bulb size and things of that nature. The midday you can plant in either zone and they should be okay. But again, the short day onions are better suited for areas closest to the equator. Oh, and the other word is pole. It's areas closest to the pole. So those are for the longer day onions.
So that's it for today. I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and I hope everybody was able to learn something when it comes to growing onions, because I definitely learned some. That's it. Peace and God bless everybody. I'll see you all in the next video.